If you've ever been involved in an accident, you'll know how daunting the entire process can be, as there are a ton of steps to follow and things to take note of during this stressful scenario. Failing to follow these procedures may be costly, as there's a chance that you may have missed out on some vital information necessary for the insurance claims. If you're lucky enough to never have been involved in an accident, or if you've just passed your TP, then there's a good chance you may not know what to do when you're involved in an accident. But not to worry, here's where we can help. Welcome to our new Driving 101 series, where we'll teach you all the things that you might still be unsure of even after getting your license. In this episode, we'll be taking you through all the different steps to take after getting into an accident. So do stick around, as there are a couple of things you must do, otherwise you'll be in serious trouble with your insurer or even fail in your claim against the other party. But before we carry on, show us some support by liking and sharing this video, and subscribe to our channel here. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to turn on your notifications so that you'll never miss another upload. When you get into an accident, stop the car, turn on your hazard lights, and check if everyone's okay. If any one of your passengers needs medical attention, please call 995 immediately. Please do not move anyone who is stuck or seriously injured, as you might end up making the situation worse. Keep everyone calm and patiently wait for help to arrive. In the unfortunate event that there is damage to government property, if the collision was with a car not registered in Singapore, or if it was a hit and run, you should also call the police. After checking that everyone is okay, get out of the car and immediately start taking detailed photos of the accident scene. Make sure you can see both cars, the road markings, and most importantly, the point of impact. After which, move your cars to the side of the road to exchange details. Start by exchanging contact information like your full name, address, telephone number, NRIC, and the license plate of the parties involved, and insurer details. If the other party was driving a company vehicle, remember to get their company details and the contact information of their supervisor. You can gather these details by taking a photo of the other party's IC or work permit, but don't forget to ask for permission before doing so. Next, take more pictures and videos of the damage done to your car, the damage on the other car, and debris on the road. Something that many drivers tend to forget is the accident area and weather conditions. So remember to note down details like where it happened and how many lanes there are, the time and date of the accident, and even the weather and road conditions when the accident happened. These pieces of information are super important, as it will help you with the incident report, which requires as many details as possible. After you've exchanged your information and gathered enough evidence, call your insurer to inform them of what happened. They will guide you through the claims process and will often help you tow your vehicle to an approved workshop. If you and the other party agree to a private settlement, you still have to report the accident to your insurer, as it is required by law. Remember that you will need to call your insurance company within 24 hours of the accident, and if you fail to do so, your insurer may penalize you. You could lose your no claims discount, or even worse, your insurer might cancel or choose not to renew your policy. During this stressful ordeal, you should remain calm and cooperative. Regardless of who is at fault, it is most important that injured parties get the medical help that they need. Stay cooperative and remain contactable in the upcoming days. Thanks for joining us on today's Driving 101 episode. If you have any questions or suggestions on what we should do next, let us know in the comments below. Till next time, bye!
Carro.